Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you a video of a Audi or Mercedes that doesn't start after a front end collision. You see right here many damaged parts. This car has been in an accident and the airbag has been deployed, and this car does not start currently. As you can see, battery is plugged in, but I will show you the extent of the damage right here. Okay, coming to the trunk, here's the battery, and this is where all the source of all your power comes, and to the starter, to the fuel pump and everything. As you can see back here, this is where your problem is. This BAMF PT 1206. This is a battery fuse, and right here I disconnected the airbag. So when your car gets into an accident, this thing will send a charge, and then it's like a gunshot, and it destroys the fuse. So now these two terminals are disconnected, and here I'll show you that the car does not start. Yeah. See, all you hear is a click. See, and this what happens when your car gets into a front end collision. As you can see, the airbag was deployed, and I removed it from these two bolts right here. That's how you remove the airbag. And look, I'm pressing start button. The battery is not dead, it's fully charged. So this is where your problem is at. Okay, we're coming back here to the trunk. This is a temporary jumper. This will just connect the two contacts, but this is not ideal. This right here is the old one. This has been blown. Right here you see this connects to the yellow airbag connector, and when you get into an accident, this will blow the fuse. As you can hear, there's a little bit of jiggling, which I think the primer has exploded this thing. And this is the new one I got from eBay. This did come from China. It costed around 30 bucks, so it's not that expensive. But as you can see, there's no noise on this. It does look a little bit, maybe it got rebuilt or something, I'm not sure. But this is the source of all your problems. This is the fuse, and once you install this, then you will see that the car starts just like it did with this jumper, but this is the safe way. So when you get into accident again, this primer will explode, and it will not make your car start again or cause any short circuits to cause a fire. This is located behind here. Let me see if I can get you good. Okay, as you can see, I jumped it, but this is not the safest to do when your car doesn't start, because this isn't fused, and you can melt many of your car wires if you leave this on permanently. So eventually you do need to buy a fuse like this, but they're not so expensive on eBay. So as you can see, this is a temporary bypass until the new fuse comes in the mail. This will work, but do not do this for a long time, because it could potentially cause damage. And here I will show you that the car starts. As you can see, the airbag has been deployed. I still haven't bought one. As you see, the car starts when previously it did not start. Now I'll show you the real fix. Okay, to install your new fuse, you first need to buy one of these. I'll show you all the numbers on it if it focuses. Yeah, let's see. It should be the same. It's it doesn't focus, but okay. Well, you should check yours with your own car. These work on Mercedes and also Volkswagen Audi, but I don't think Volkswagen has this kind of system. But Audi I know for sure, because this is an Audi A4, and this is a similar part on Mercedes-Benz. Here I'll show you. You need a 13 millimeter. Then you just come in here, and right now I have it loosened already, just so you can see. Now when you do this, take off the negative battery terminal so you do not short circuit yourself, because it's about 12 volts. Well, amperage I'm not sure about, but the voltage doesn't really matter. But you just unscrew these two things. As you can see, that's the old one. Here is the new one. Now I'm not gonna plug in the thing yet. Yeah, okay, it was upside down. Okay, I'm not gonna plug in this purple connector yet because I still need to replace the airbag and reset the airbag module, so it doesn't really matter right now. But as you can see, you just install this back in. It's very simple, and I don't know how much the dealer charges, but I believe it's big money. Yeah, don't be worried about this battery, because once you disconnected the ground on the other side of the battery, it should not. There's no power going to the battery or to shock you, so don't be scared. Now this isn't even tight, but it'll still start the car. But when you install this permanently, you should tighten it up. Just hand tight, because these are not strength bolts. These are just to make a contact, so they're not really strong metal. Now, as you can see, we'll plug in the negative battery terminal, and here I'll show you that the car starts 100%. So we are back inside the car. You see airbag is still deployed. The clock is 12 o'clock because we just plugged in the battery. Now as you can see, car started. Everything's good. Everything works.